Hey guys, coucou les amis. So today we are vlogging. I'm heading out with the kids. To hear that? Okay, good. So I wanted to take you guys. We are going to head down in town and we are going to do a little vlog for today's date. So I thought I would take you guys with me and do a little change in videos instead of always doing home decor. Let's do a little vlog. Let's go. So we are en route now, and this is like the exit of my neighborhood. My house is like way far back. Okay, so we are heading in town. Let's go. So I am so shocked. We went to the Dollar Tree and the items are no longer $1. I know the Dollar Tree has like the $5 aisle or whatever, but the items itself is no longer $1. It's $1.25. What? That's what I know. You take a brokenness. Woo! That's what I know. Okay, so we are currently in the mall with the kids. They're gonna come. Oh my god. And they're going to have some fun. Let's do it. So I got my card for the kids. They're there. Let us play some games. I can't believe they didn't even get one shot. Are you kidding me? What? Okay. Come on, Tape. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Yes. Whoa, yes. Yes. Vas-y, better. Oh. This one is fun. Woo! Good job, Nazo. One more time. Okay, kita. Okay, let's go. Come on. Ah. Yes, ya usted está pesa. Somebody is stuck. Dude, this place is so cool. Hi. Look at this place. Wow. It's so cool. Jouez. Non, peut-être qu'on va finir simplement. Nazo plus tard. Parce que les gens se promènent comme ça. Tu l'as entendu? Beto di hi. Nazo di hi.